What's up, guys? What's going on? We got another crypto coin to talk about. We're going to talk about what is Avalanche. What does Avalanche do? Everybody's so excited about Avalanche, but honestly, I don't know that much about it myself. So we're going to read about it here. Let's get into it. All right. Exploring the Avalanche blockchain, a scalable powerhouse in crypto. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, Avalanche stands out as a high-speed blockchain platform designed to make decentralized applications (dApps) faster and more efficient. Launched in September 2020, Avalanche, often abbreviated as AVAX, is not just another blockchain. It's a flexible network that allows users to build custom blockchains tailored to specific needs. Think of it like a supercharged highway for digital transactions, where everything moves quickly without the traffic jams seen on older networks like Ethereum. Avalanche was created to address major pain points in blockchain technology: slow speeds, high fees, and limited scalability. Traditional blockchains often struggle with processing thousands of transactions per second, leading to delays and costly operations. Avalanche's founders aim to fix this by introducing a novel consensus mechanism called Avalanche Consensus, which enables sub-second finality, meaning transactions are confirmed almost instantly. This breakthrough came from research in 2018 by a team of distributed systems experts at Cornell University, known as Team Rocket. The platform was designed by Avalanche, a company founded by Eamon Gunn-Searer, a computer scientist professor from Cornell, along with Kevin Sicknicki and Ted Ying. Searer, with his deep expertise in peer-to-peer systems, saw the need for a blockchain that could handle real-world demands without compromising on decentralization or security. Ava Labs launched Avalanche in 2020 after raising funds through an initial coin offering (ICO) that sold AVAX tokens. The goal was simple: create a blockchain ecosystem where developers could innovate freely, supporting everything from finance to gaming. At its core, Avalanche's utility lies in the unique architecture. It consists of three interconnected chains: the exchange chain, X-chain, for asset creation and trading; the platform chain, the P-chain, for managing validators and subnets; and the contract chain, the C-chain, for smart contracts compatible with Ethereum's tools. This setup allows for massive scalability, up to 4,500 transactions per second on its main network, far outpacing many competitors. Its standout feature is subnets, which are customizable blockchains that run alongside the main network. Businesses can launch their own subnets for specific uses, like private ledgers for enterprises or high throughput chains for games, without overloading the primary system. Avalanche is used for a wide range of applications in decentralized finance (DeFi). Platforms like Trader Joe and Pangolian enable fast trading and lending for non-fungible tokens (NFTs). It's home to marketplaces and collectibles. Gaming giants like Nexon's MapleStory Universe have built on Avalanche for on-chain economies. while even FIFA has experimented with fan-engaging tools. Real-world assets such as tokenized stocks or real estate and gaming traction gaining traction with institutional grade yields attracting big players. Additionally, tools like AvaCloud make it easy for non-crypto experts to deploy custom chains, bridging Web 2 to Web 3. What's new and exciting in 2025? Avalanche is buzzing with upgrades that push its tech forward. The Octane upgrade, rolled out earlier this year, introduced dynamic fees and boosted throughput by 30%, making transactions cheaper and faster. Upcoming features include ACP-194 for parallel execution, enabling up to 1,000,000 transactions per second on custom L1s, and Firewood, a new storage engine to reduce data bloat. Streaming asynchronous execution separates consensus from processing for even higher speeds. The Avalanche Foundation is funding builders through Retro 9000 grants, over 250K distributed recently. Partnerships like with Funtico are fueling indie Web3 games, and expansions into AI blockchain hybrids like identity layers against bots are emerging. These developments position Avalanche as a leader in scalable, enterprise-ready blockchains, with trends like Avalanche 9000 upgrade enhancing multiple chain ecosystems. Now let's talk price action. AVAX started trading at around $2.92 in late 2020. It surged during the 2021 bull market, hitting an all-time high of about $144 in November. That's crazy. However, like most cryptos, it faced volatility, dropping to lows around $2.38 in 2020 and below $10 in 2022. That's crazy. In the 2023 and 2024, AVAX rebounded, driven by DeFi growth and partnerships. As of August 2025, it's hovering around $24 to $25, up 2.57% year over year, but down 2.54% in the past month amid market dips. Recent weeks show a 4.73% gain, with trading volume spiking to over $700 million daily, reflecting renewed interest. Price predictions for AVAX are optimistic, fueled by tech upgrades and adoption. For 2025, analysts' forecast ranges from $18.50 to $91, with averages around $50 to $62. By 2026, it could reach $26 to $94. That's a big range. Potentially hitting $71 in a bullish scenario. Long term, some see it climbing to $185 by 2030, assuming continued innovation and market growth. Community sentiment on platforms like Reddit suggests 10x potential by 2026, but remember, crypto is volatile, predictions are not guaranteed. In summary, Avalanche is more than a blockchain. It's a toolkit for the future of decentralized tech. From its origins in academic research to cutting-edge upgrades, It's empowering developers and businesses alike. With strong utility, exciting innovations, and promising price outlooks, Avalanche is poised to avalanche into mainstream adoption. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor, keep an eye on AVAX because it could pay off in this evolving crypto landscape. Hope you guys enjoyed that video about Avalanche, aka AVAX. Let me know if you're interested in getting some AVAX. If you learn anything from this video, let me know if you're a holder of AVAX, and if you have anything to add, let me know in the comment section, guys. I appreciate y'all very much, and I'd also really appreciate it if you guys would check out my sponsors. We got the banner rotating at the top there. You can get yourself some free crypto by depositing. If you deposit, I believe, $20 on Coinbase, you could get $30 for free. Deposit $100 on Uphold, get $20 for free. And also Bitrue and BTCC also have similar promotions right now. So check it out and go get some free crypto. I appreciate y'all very much. This video was not financial advice. I gotta say that. I appreciate y'all, and I hope you learned something. Smash up the like button, share out the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.